How to cancel Ask AI subscription. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. If you cancel the subscription of Ask AI, you will definitely lose the access to any premium only content, which means you will no longer have access to free content that's available in the app. So if you're ready for the consequences, the first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then head over to your Apple ID at the very top. Move into subscriptions. Wait for a while for it to load. In this page, you should see all of the applications that you have bought the subscription of. For me, you can see none of the application is available, which means that I haven't bought any of the subscription of the app. But for you, if you have the subscription of Ask AI, then the app will be available in this page. All you want to do is click on it. Once you click on it, the option of cancel subscription will be visible to you. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on cancel subscription, your Ask AI subscription will be cancelled successfully. Now you will no longer be charged for the subscription going forward. However, you might still have the access to the premium content until the end of your current billing cycle. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel Ask AI subscription. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.